When it comes to the beetroot cured salmon trout, the best is always to use fresh fish. The specific fish that we've got here is straight from the Franschhoek streams. It's already been skinned, deboned. It's better to get the fish whole and fresh, and then if you have the capabilities to skin it and debone yourself, the bones is usually run straight in the middle of the fish. It's quite small bones, so make sure you get every last one, as it can get stuck in your throat. Even the produce that you use to cure it, the best is to use fresh beetroot, no packets, no dried dill, fresh lemons, fresh lime, and then don't lay in the fish too long in the cure, as the longer it lays, the drier it gets. The drier it gets a very horrible texture. It looks dried out as well, and the texture of the fish becomes almost like biltong, which is not always appetizing. So once you've cured it and it's ready to come out, just wash it off, otherwise it's going to continue curing. Dry it out, and then you'll see there's a little fat piece on the fish. It's called the belly. That you can keep on, but the best is to remove it. Sharp knife, angle, just to remove the piece of fat, and then you can already start seeing, you can still see the color of the fish. It's still there, it's just the outside that's been discolored with the beetroot. And then if you slice it in half to use to serve, it's got a nice little red on the outside, and it still has that nice orange color on the inside. Flavor is always very nice if it's a fresh fish and if you use fresh produce. The ingredients that goes into this dish always brings out the nice part of a nice trout. This you can also do with Norwegian salmon, Alaskan salmon, any type of big fish that you can find. It's a brilliant dish for summer. It's a nice dish for Christmas. It just works all around.